incredible plants. Plants are some of the most important organisms on Earth. They form the base of the food chain and sustain nearly all life on our planet. Without plants, there wouldn't be any food for people, animals, or the billions of other life forms that feed on them. But what do plants eat? They don't eat other plants. Plants produce their own food using a process called photosynthesis. By harnessing the sun's energy, plants combine water with carbon dioxide from the air to make sugar. The sugar fuels plants' growth. Plants also soak up nutrients from the soil. Yet if resources are scarce, it can be tough for plants to produce enough food. That's why some plants have adaptations to help them thrive in challenging environments. Desert plants called succulents have thick, fleshy leaves and stems, which store water. This helps them last for long periods without rain. Cacti are one type of succulent. Most live in areas with extremely dry climates in North and South America. They range from tiny desert shrubs to towering plants over 70 feet tall. These prickly spines aren't just to scare you. They help a cactus survive. Sharp spines keep away thirsty predators and provide protection from extreme desert temperatures. Broad, shallow root systems and stems with ridges help the plants trap as much water as they can. Rough conditions aren't just found in the desert. In the mountains, temperatures are colder, the air and soil is thinner, and water is scarce, all tough challenges for plants. Even so, many plants can be found there. Mountain plants are usually small and compact. This way, strong winds don't batter their branches. Mountain plants also have small leaves covered with fine hairs that serve as natural insulation from the cold. Larger leaves would lose too much heat and water in blustery alpine conditions. Watch out, bugs! This plant may look pretty, but it's actually a predator. It's a carnivorous plant. Carnivorous plants, such as pitcher plants and Venus flytraps, eat insects to stay alive. They live in places like swamps and bogs, where there aren't many nutrients in the ground. So, to get the nutrients they need, the plants capture and consume bugs. Carnivorous plants release chemicals that break down the bugs' bodies, the same way a stomach digests food. Then they're ready for the next snack that comes along. Trees are the largest type of plant, and some of the largest trees are giant sequoias, which grow only in California. Sequoias can grow 300 feet tall and live thousands of years. These enormous trees also have adaptations to help them survive. Fires often break out in the forests where they live, but sequoias have tough, fire-resistant bark that keeps them from burning down. Fires actually help sequoias reproduce. Sequoia seeds grow inside hard cones. Fire cracks the cones open, allowing the seeds to fall to the ground so new trees can grow. Thank goodness for amazing adaptive plants. Without them, our lives wouldn't be the same.